Hello, Mrs. Long and Mrs. Jennings class. This week we have been studying about Canada, our beautiful country, and we're going to learn how to draw a dogwood flower. Dogwood flowers are the BC flower. They grow on trees, and this is kind of our symbol for BC, the dogwood flower. So you'll need white paper, pencil, eraser, a black marker or a black pen, crayons or pencils. I'm going to say no felts this time because we want to do some soft shading. So to start with, if we notice, the flower kind of has little heart shapes, doesn't it? In a way, it reminds me of a poppy. So we're going to start by doing 4 petals, and we kind of want them all to be the same size. So notice how I'm not joining them in points because I want to leave a center. And we're going to do one more. They don't need to be perfect. In the center, we're going to do a circle. Now in that circle, we want it to look real. So we're going to kind of do little wavy little bits over our circle. And then in the inside, we're going to do little round, little scrunchy little circles so it looks like the real texture of the inside of the flower. Then we're going to make the petals look real by adding the odd little line so that they look soft and curvy. Petals. Now you can add more than 2. I'm just going to add 2. So one of my petals is going to be big, and the other one's just going to be poking out nice and small. Then I'm going to do a nice stem that might have come off from the tree. Now, to color, I've picked 5 colors. So dogwoods, really the BC flower is typically white, but I'm going to add a little bit of a pink shading. And I'm using the side of my pencil crayon, and I'm just gonna do like the top part of kind of the heart shape. I'm not gonna go all the way down. See how I'm using the side of the pencil crayon? It works so much faster and it gives a very soft effect. So I'm gonna do each petal, and then the center I'm going to actually take yellow first. I'm gonna color that in. Not soft, I want it to pop, so I'm going to do it a little bit darker. Then I'm going to take the green and go over top to get a yellow, green, and real looking center of the flower. But for the petals, I'm just going to do them green. Sometimes I like to outline the area that I'm going to be coloring first and then fill it in. That way I can have 3-star coloring and stay in the lines. Do both of those, and then I'm going to show you what I like to do for the stem. Outlining. Now I can use the side here too if I want. Maybe it'll go a little bit faster, but I'm still staying in the lines. There we go. 3-star coloring. The stem, we are also going to do green. But, so it looks more realistic, I'm going to take my brown and I'm going to shade over top of this and make it kind of look like it just came off the tree branch. Isn't that pretty? Now the final step to make it pop is to take our black marker, and I'm going to just go pop, 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 pop. Pretty. This looks like a real dogwood. I used to have a pink dogwood in my yard. Dogwood tree. And there is how we do a dogwood flower. Have a wonderful week. We'll see some of you next week, and if not, we'll see you at Zoom. Bye, kids.